Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this really cool workbench which I'm going to be putting together. This thing came packaged extremely well, really nice instruction guide which is going to be very helpful, and all of the parts are in here, all numbered, lettered, and labeled, which is going to make this really easy to put together. This is a powered workstation, so it is going to have a power output on there, which is really nice to have with a workbench. They do give you a couple of options. You've got the options with this particular one to either use these really nice casters, which I will probably put on, or you do have the option of just some standard feet, which will allow it to be more stable, but you're not going to be able to roll it around. And you kind of have the option to pick and choose that. It does have the ability to have some variable height. So I'm going to go ahead and get all this unboxed and get this thing put together and show you how it can function. Got this whole thing put together. This thing is pretty robust. It holds 2,200 pounds. So you're going to be able to hold a lot on top of this. It's got a nice built-in shelf. I mean, this thing is really sturdy. Loving the fact that it's got the locking casters and adjustable height. So I've currently set this up for me. I'm 6'2". It can still go higher than this by at least one setting. But again, at 6'2", this is a nice working height, but it also can be lowered down. So that's really nice. And it does come with those standard feet. So if you did decide you needed to use those, you can. Loving the fact that this has got this additional storage back here, areas for your tools up here. You've got a pegboard on both ends, so you can hang cords, you can hang tools. They provide you with all the hardware there as well. In walking around over here to this other side, you've actually got areas on this other side built in for hanging other tools. You've got areas to put power tools, which is nice for quick, easy access. And you've actually even got a little power area here that has these 4 outlets that work really well. And you've got an area to put even USBs, USB-Cs. So if you're going to be outside working, listening to some music, charging up your devices and things like that, you can easily do that and throw them there, which is great. So again, adjustability, versatility, utilization. This has got all the bases covered and would work great in anyone's workshop.